Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the problem. Problem is that your Lyft app is not working properly in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So it's crashing and it's not working properly, and just when using it's loading and not resolving the issue. So how you can resolve that issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad? Just follow all the settings in the iPhones. I'm going to tell that in this video. So you have to resolve that issue. Just simply follow all the settings. I'm going to tell that in this video to fix the issue. Just going to the settings of the iPhone and have to make sure that you have strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, just going to general section and just going to the software update and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, just scroll it down and just find the app settings of transfer. Just tap on that and just tap on reset and you reset the network settings from here. After that, just going back and just going to again general section and just going to the iPhone storage and just scroll it down and find a app of a left, and I'm gonna find that and see the option of a offload app. Just simply just tap on that and just gonna offload and again install the app from here. After doing all the stuffs, make sure your problem gonna solve. If your problem not gonna solve, simply just uninstall the app, and again just like that I'm gonna uninstall the app and again download from the app store. Just like that, going to the app store and just search app of Lyft and again download from that section. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.